Introduction to TypeScript. TypeScript is a typed superset of JavaScript that transpiles or compiles into plain JavaScript. Typed means TypeScript provides type safety by allowing data types usage explicitly. Variable declared with one data type cannot be assigned with another data type. Okay. For example, let product ID :number. Okay, product ID is assigned with number data type. Product ID equals to 1, which is accepted. Here the product ID is number. If product ID equals to Samsung, product ID is not a number, it is a string which is not accepted. Here the product ID is string. Here the TypeScript is providing the type safety. Okay. Variable declared with one type cannot be used with another type. Superset means TypeScript is extending JavaScript by supporting data types explicitly. Access specifiers, interfaces, support. What are access specifiers? What are interfaces? We'll learn in our upcoming classes. TypeScript equals to JavaScript plus data types, access specifiers, interfaces. Okay. TypeScript is provided by Microsoft in the year 2012 with version TypeScript 0.8. Google used TypeScript 1.8 version to develop Angular 2. Okay. TypeScript was basically introduced by Microsoft in the year 2012 with the version 0.8. Google used TypeScript 1.8 version to develop Angular 2. TypeScript latest version is TypeScript 4.2. TypeScript provides programming feel of C# and Java. TypeScript files extension is TS. The TypeScript compiler is tsc.esc. TypeScript is not executable, not understandable to the browser. It needs to be converted into plain JavaScript using TypeScript compiler. TypeScript.ts files are converted into .js using TypeScript compiler tsc.exe. JavaScript files are understandable by the browser. High-level language. High-level languages are developer friendly. Okay. .js, it is a middle level language. TypeScript is developer friendly over JavaScript. Installing the TypeScript. How to install the TypeScript into our system? To install TypeScript compiler is available as a node package. Okay. To install TypeScript, node package needs to be available into a system. How to install node package? Node package can be installed using npm tool. This tool comes with Node.js installation. To install Node.js, visit the Node.js official website https://nodejs.org. Okay, click on this button which is available in the official website of Node.js 14.16.0. Okay, it will download and run the setup file to install the Node.js. This will provide the npm tool. Then next what you will do means, this is the syntax to install the npm tool using any packages. Just npm install I, type the package name -g. G means globally. It will install globally, which is available throughout the system. Okay, to install TypeScript, go to command prompt, type npm I TypeScript -d. Okay, it will install the TypeScript into your system. To check whether it is installed or not, just type it as tsc-v. It will display the TypeScript version. Okay, go to command prompt, I've already installed in my system. Just will check the version of the TypeScript which is available in my system. TSC -v. The version which is available in my system is 4.2.2. Okay. I hope you understood the concept of introduction to TypeScript. Friends, if you like my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. Take care. Have a great day.